All right, Melissa's shopping for clothes. She buys a coat for $75. So she has a coat for $75. Pants are on sale for $25 each. She only wants to spend at most means she does not want to spend more than that. So that means this is what she is going to do right here. So all of this cannot go over $300. So that means this right here in the circle has to be less than or equal to 300 bucks. So right off the bat, you can cross off every answer choice here except letter C, just because of the symbol here from the key word. In fact, you could write the inequality as 75 plus $25 times the number of pants she's going to buy, and all that has to be less than or equal to 300. That's what at most means. Okay, a small plane can carry less than 1,050 pounds. So let's figure out what we need to put here. The mail for the day weighs 490 pounds. So you have some mail already here that weighs 490 pounds. If each passenger brings 70 pounds of luggage, what is the greatest possible number of passengers that can be taken? So you have to add that to 70 pounds per person. I'll just use the letter P there. And so we can actually go through and solve this inequality. We're going to subtract 490 on both sides. Subtract 490 over here. Let's grab our calculator and do 1050 minus 490. You get 560. And we'll bring down the 70. You could use X, I use the letter P. The last step is to divide by 70. So 560 divided by 70 is 8. So P is less than 8. The answer is not 8 because 8 is not less than 8. Most of you picked 8 because you said this is equal to 8. No, it has to be a number less than 8, and the highest number less than 8 is 7. It says, what's the slope? In order to find the slope of anything, it has to be in y equals mx plus b form. If you pick -3 for the slope, you're wrong. If it were that simple, we wouldn't be doing it in algebra. You have to split it up, start moving stuff away from the y. So we're going to do opposites. Add 3x. So you cannot put 8 plus 3x together. So you have y equals, and we're going to put the 3x term first. And we said our slope is the number in front of m when y is by itself, so the answer is B. Which of the following is equivalent to? So we're going to put this guy in y equals since all the answer choices are in y equals. So the y is on the left. We need to move the 3x to the right, so we're going to subtract 3x. Subtract 3x. You cannot combine -3x plus 6, so we're going to write it as -3x plus 6. And then our last step is to divide by -4. Divide everything by -4. Now, if you're not sure if you're supposed to have a positive or negative fraction, because you see you have 3/4 here in J, and you have -3/4 here in G, use your calculator. You can do -3 divided by -4. If it gives you a positive decimal, you get a positive fraction. So my fraction has to be positive. Now let's look at 6 divided by -4. It gives you a negative decimal, so you have to have a negative fraction. So if you do math frac enter, you get -3/2. Your answer is J. Which inequality best describes the solution here? So you're going to split this up and distribute 15, and then 5 times -x is -5x, and then bring down your inequality and what you have on the left. Start combining like terms. So we're going to put -2x to the other side. -5 plus 2 is -3x. Bring down what you have left, and the 6. 15 needs to go to the other side. 6 minus 15 is -9. Don't forget about your sign up here. Our last step is to divide by a negative, and what happens when you divide by a negative? Your sign changes, and -9 divided by -3 is 3. So your answer is B.